When it comes to conversion rate optimization or CRO, the smartest decisions aren't based on assumptions. They're based on data. And two of the most powerful tools we use at Brandastic to boost performance are A/B testing and heat maps. Recently, we ran a CRO test for a client called Pre, combining both tools. The goal? To better understand how users were interacting with their landing pages and to make smarter, more performance-driven decisions based on that behavior. A/B testing and heat mapping are powerful on their own, but together they're next level because A/B testing gives you the what, you learn which version of the page converts better, but heat mapping gives you the why. They show you where users are clicking, scrolling, and getting stuck and dropping off entirely. For example, if an A/B test shows you the new page performs worse than the old page, a heat map might reveal that users are clicking on things that aren't interactive. That's frustrating and it kills the momentum. With Pre, we tested a new landing page design against their existing one, and here's what we learned. Users were clicking on images that looked tappable but weren't. That confused or hurt the user experience. So one quick win, if we make it look clickable, then it's clickable and it works, and the clients and the customers and the users are a lot more happy. Our heat map showed strong engagement around product sections, but a steep drop off after that, meaning users got what they needed early and ignored the rest. Put your most important content above the scroll line or above the fold. Use the space to cross-promote related items and push key CTAs or call to actions. Now here's where it got interesting. The new page actually had more impressions by a lot. In fact, we saw a potential increase in visibility between 4 and 29%. But why? Likely better ad relevance and a higher quality score, which helped perform stronger in paid campaigns. But here's the twist, it didn't convert as well. The original page had fewer views but better results. So while one version brought in more people, the other guided them better. Here's what we recommended for the next iteration. Keep high-performing layout and imagery from the new version, but retain the intuitive product-focused design from the original. This fixed dead clicks, simplified the layout, and reduced load times, especially for mobile. This is the heart of CRO. Not about launching the perfect page once, it's about constant refinement, testing, learning, and improving. If you're spending on paid media and relying on landing pages to drive leads and sales, CRO shouldn't be an afterthought. Here's how to start using heat map and A/B testing in your strategy. Use heat maps to understand behavior. Where the users hesitate, where do they scroll, stop, or get frustrated. Run A/B tests with intention. Don't just change button colors. Test layouts, messaging, and hierarchy. Measure both traffic and behavior. Look at the bounce rates, dwell times, and engagement, not just raw traffic. Think like a user. If something looks clickable, make sure it works. Don't overwhelm users with fluff. Keep the path to conversion simple and clear. At Brandastic, we help brands turn clicks into conversions on purpose. If you're ready to combine data, design, and strategy to create landing pages that actually perform, we're here to help. Follow and subscribe for more digital marketing insights.